Hey guys, welcome back to the next video. I just have this cup of tea. Nice jar there. Coming back to this video though, it's all about the importance of accountability. Now I know myself. I need to be checking in with someone to see my progress. I know what I'm like. I have motivation for a little bit, then it just dives down. So I need to be there. This is one of the reasons why I did the transformation with this particular PT and the company, because I know I won't stick to it otherwise, and I haven't built enough good habits to stick to it, to do it by myself. But now 9 months in, yeah, I can completely say I can do it. So I can do it by myself. So it's not a problem. I'm more confident in that now because I know exactly how many macros my body needs, what have you. But coming back to the accountability, if you can't find someone accountable, then a good thing to do is write a contract and get it signed. And then make sure you get it signed, sign it yourself, and make sure it's someone very close to you that will hold you accountable. Like it could be someone in your family or your friends, where you say, look, if I don't stick to this course, if I don't stick to this nutrition plan, I owe you $1,000 or £1,000. All right? Because when you have that signed, that will be your incentive, because it's a legally binding document. You've signed it and you've said, if I don't follow through, like it could be a weekly basis or monthly. You could even do weekly. Look, if in this week I don't hit my macros, my targets, my calorie deficits, I owe you £100 or I owe you £250, right? So you can break it down. $250 or £250, one month, that's 1,000, yeah? 1,000 a month. So you got a transformation that might last 6 months or 12 months, and it's £1,000 a month. 12,000, you pretty much probably will stick to what you're doing, right? And so think of different ways or where you think you can stick to it. If you have got finances to the side, and you can invest in a PT, someone who holds you accountable, that has helped me, because I know that I've invested in myself and I'm gonna make it happen, because it's part of the investment. You put in the money in. It's not making you do it, because during the transformation, I have not stuck to the plan here and there, but majority of the time I have. I've only, I would say about 2-3 weeks, I didn't stick to it here and there. But it just gives you that sense of, yes, okay, I've invested, I'm going to do it, let's go for it. So if you can create a contract, if that can help you, or if you have any other incentive that you think individually, you know who you are as a person and you know what you need to do that will make you stick to something. So do that. That's fine as well. It doesn't matter. Just anything you think that will help you adhere to the process a bit more easily and make you stick to it, do that. Okay, so that's a short video. I just wanted to say about accountability. Very important. Try and get an accountability partner. And if you are really well motivated yourself, well, use yourself as that, yeah? And later in the videos, and when we come down to the motivation and discipline and the section part 5, I believe, I use a lot of particular quotes from Marcus Aurelius and a lot of the Stoic philosophers and stuff, and I will go through them. Maybe they will help you. Those will help you. So you can skip now and check it out. But there's plenty of those on YouTube that you can go and see. But remember, motivation is just the start. It's the discipline and the habit that will get you through it. Consistency, right? So I'll see you in the next video. Take it easy.